नमस्कार. मी यशलता विद्यासागर. Now I am presenting this PPT which is related to the factors of soil formation. So there are 5 factors which affecting on the soil formation, as the scientist Hilgard from United States and the Dokocheva, Russian geographer. They already explains that there are some factors which affecting on the soil formation. In that, primarily there are two major factors: climate and the vegetation. Those are affecting a lot according to the Hilgard and the Dokocheva, which affecting on the formation of soils. After that, in 1940, Hans Jenny is extended these ideas, and according to the Hans Jenny, he elaborated some new 3 factors which are affecting on the soil formation as well. So there are 5 soil forming factors which are affecting on the soil formation: climate, living organism, parent material, topography and time. So these are the 5 soil forming factors. The first factor is the parent material. So as we know that the parent material is the broken kind of the pebbles, cobbles, which are the larger kind of the material which located at the bottom of the soil profile, that is known as the parent material. This parent material is the material which consists of the mixture of minerals, and obviously the parent material which founds at the lowest layer of the soil profile, though those derived the characteristics of igneous rock, sedimentary rock and the metamorphic rock. So this is the rock cycle. As everyone knows that the heat, pressure are the two things which affect on the formation of rocks, and obviously the soil is formed by the rock, by the parent material. So obviously these properties of the rock obviously derived in the soil. So that's why we have to study the parent material. When the huge bedrock is going through the weathering and the erosion process, then the parent material is formed. So this is the one example of the soil profile. These upper two layers are the soil profiles, and the bedrock, which is the rigid and the unbroken kind of the massive material which took a lot time for the breakdown. So the next factor, and that is the topography. Topography means the ups and downs of the earth surface. So this topography is the another factor which affect on the soil profile. In the topography there are majorly two factors, two characteristic of the topography which affect on the soil formation. The first one is the slope. In that there are two types of slopes: steep slope and the gentle slope. So the angle of the slope is the one major factor which affect on the formation of soil profile. When a particular topography is having the steeper slope, then obviously the erosion process dominated by the weathering process, and that's why the shallow kind of the immature profiles are formed. So due to the high runoff rate, less water infiltration rate, fewer plant forms, less organic matter, increased soil erosion, thinner surface soil and slower formation and the development of the soil horizons within the soil profile. See, the next type of topography, the type of slope is the gentle slope. Gentle slope means the gentle to the plain land. So that type of the topography is very favorable, very good for the formation of the deeper soil profile. So the each and every horizon get time to develop, to increase the various good properties within it, and the depth of each and every horizon will increase if that particular profile is stable at a particular place. So this particular situation is provided by the gentle slope, because little runoff is there, Then the increased water infiltration, so the water can be penetrated up to the up to the bottom layer of the soil profile. Then the faster plant growth is leading to the more organic material. The gentle slope and the level ground having the maximum greenery, maximum plants. Then the shrubs, herbs, kind of the small plants are there. So that's why those are provide the higher organic material to the soil profile. So obviously as the angle is very less, so that's why the less erosion is going on from the gentle slope, and these particular things help to develop the each and every horizon within the soil profile. So that's why the deeper soil profiles are formed if that particular topography is having gentle slope. So the third factor is the time. Time is a very important factor which affect on the formation of soil. As I told you that the ideal soil profile having the each and every layer, O horizon is there, A horizon is there, B horizon is there, C horizon is there, and the bedrock or the R horizon is present in that particular soil profile. Again, only the presentness of these 5 horizon is not important, but the depth of each and every horizon is again matters on the fertility of the soil as well as the maturity of the soil. So this is the time factor which is affecting on the formation of the soil horizons as well as the depth of the soil profile. Okay. So when we are studying the time factor, then on the base of the time factor there are two types of soils, the young soil and the old soil. Obviously the young soil is these are the properties of the young soil: volcanic or the alluvial in origin, have greater fertility, have poor developed profiles. Usually they are highly productive. Where are the youngest soil? Can you tell me where are the youngest soil in Louisiana located? So these are the properties of the younger soil. These are the properties of the oldest soil. Old soils have well developed soil profiles, have an increased clay content, a more acidic pH this particular soil having. Then the nutrients are leached within that particular soil. Lowest fertility and the productivity, lower fertility and the productivity than the younger soil. Actually the crop production and the productivity is completely depend on the above surface two horizons. So that's why the young soil is the maximum having the maximum fertility, because the roots and the greenery and the organic material is penetrate up to the A horizon. So that's why the quick growth of the plants, then the variety of the plants can be cultivated on the young soil as compared with the old soils. This is the climate is the fourth factor which affecting on the soil profile. Obviously in the climate, the temperature, then the rainfall, then the humidity are the some factors which affecting on the formation of the soil. Okay, so this one factor is not stable factor, this is always in the motion. So that's why this is the single most very important factor which affecting on the formation of a soil profile, formation of the layers, formation of the horizons which are present within the soil profile, and each and every property of the soil is get affected due to the climate factor. This is the fifth factor, and that is the biota. This biota is made up of the living organisms such as plants, animal, insects, bacteria and the fungi. This bacteria biota or the all the this biota is consist of the organic material and the microorganisms. So combinedly these two we can call the biota. The soil fertility is completely depends on the biota factor, as this occupies only the 5% area, but still the 100% fertility is depends on the biota factor. So the animal and the insects mix and aerate the soil as well as add the organic material. Plants have the most important important effect because they determine the types and the amounts of organic material. Thank you so much.